Hello my creators, today we are going to make tea coaster. For that required materials are. So let's start the video. As usual in the last video I will show you how to make the paper strips. Still again I am showing you. You have to take a piece of paper and you have to start rolling from the one corner. Like this you have to make a strips. So now making a tea coaster we require 10 to 15 strips. So you have to make the 10 to 15 strips and you have to make a flat like this. Now once you complete your flatting work, we can start the rolling. In the beginning I take the help of the barbecue stick and I start rolling. Afterwards I remove it and I roll it randomly. Like this I apply the Fevicol on stick and I start rolling as well as I start sticking also. Now once you complete it here, we are going to stick another stick. So we are going to join first like this. You have to insert one paper stick in the last paper stick and again apply the Fevicol and then roll it. Like this you have to start rolling until you not complete your whole stick. Remember that the coaster size is maximum 9 cm. I make 8 cm. Now after sticking the last stick you have to check the coaster size. If it is smaller then you can add as much you require. Now once you complete the whole work you have again give a finishing with the handkerchiefs. This you have to place it with the handkerchiefs. Once you complete the all, we are going to apply the Fevicol on it and we are going to spread it with the help of the brush. Like this, you have to spread this Fevicol at the both sides. Here I want to inform you that I am using the Camlin white glue because this glue only giving the transparent effect after it's dry. Because of we applying the Fevicol on it, this circle become a heart. Now once you complete you have a give time to dry this work. You require at least half an hour for dry this. So here I am showing you the other one which I make before. Now it is dry and it is hard. Now I am going to apply an old nail polish on it for giving a white base. If you don't have a nail polish you can go for the acrylic color or the fabric color on it. Normally we are throwing the old nail polish, so I am just here showing you the use of the old nail polish. Now as we are going to do some painting work on the one part only, the basic which we are showing. At the back we are not going to do any kind of work. So here I am going to apply directly my transparent nail polish for giving a shining look. Like this, after applying the both side, you have to give a time for the dry this work. Once it is dry, we are going to start doing the painting on it. You can do anything on it, whichever you like it. I am going to use the flower pattern on it. So according to it, I am making the design. So here I am going to complete my design work. I hope you like this work and it's looking very beautiful. So like this you can make any kind of design on it. I'll show you the other one. On it, for the shining, I use my nail shiner. Once it is dry, you can apply the nail shiner on it. And this is, I make it from the coloring paper. So if you like it, you can make any one from this. I hope you enjoy this activity. Thank you.